Hello again. I'd now like to introduce you to the OpenWhisk extension that works in both VSCode as well as Visual Studio Code. This gives us integration with the OpenWhisk serverless computing environment from directly inside the code editor. So if I want to see a list of actions, I can run the whisk list command. And you can see right here we've got the list of packages that I have, the list of actions that I have in my account, my triggers, my rules. I'll go ahead and clear that out. Let's say I want to create a new action. I can run whisk action init, and it's going to prompt me like, what language do you want to use for your action? I'm going to choose a Node.js action, and you can see here that the boilerplate code for our action has been created. So all this is going to do is make a request to the URL that we have right here, and then it's going to return that as the result of our OpenWhisk action. So now that we've created the boilerplate locally in the code editor, let's go ahead and turn this into an action up on the OpenWhisk serverless computing environment. So I'll run action create, and it's going to ask me for a name for my action. So we'll call this getting started. And you can see that an action has been created, my namespace / getting started. Now let's go ahead and invoke this action. So we can run whisk action invoke, and it's going to bring up a list of actions that I have, so you can easily select which action you'd like to invoke. I named that one getting started, so I can very easily start typing the name and the list gets filtered. And now we're going to be prompted for parameters. I'm not going to pass any parameters into this action, but you can see as soon as I hit enter, that action is being invoked. So without leaving the editor, we were able to quickly create a new action. We were able to push that action up to the OpenWhisk serverless computing environment, and we were also able to invoke that action. There are a lot more commands that are available inside of the OpenWhisk extension for VSCode and Visual Studio Code. We can view activations, we can view actions, we can invoke triggers, we can create rules from triggers to actions. So I highly recommend that you check it out, and I can't wait to see what you build with it.